Hi, I'm Anna Pollard, Technology and Art Instructor for MyFunScience. Welcome to Digital Literacy Tech Skills for Life, a year-long course designed to give students the technology skills they need for school, careers, and everyday life. This course is divided into 2 semesters. In the fall semester, students build a strong foundation in how technology works and how to use it responsibly. They explore topics such as computer hardware and software, networks and the internet, digital communication, cybersecurity, and ethical technology use. Through interactive lessons and real-world scenarios, students learn not just how to use technology, but how to make smart, informed decisions in a digital world. In the spring semester, the focus shifts to hands-on skill building with Microsoft Office tools, including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Students complete practical real-life tasks, such as creating resumes and business letters, building budgets and spreadsheets, designing presentations and reports, and managing digital files, email, and calendars. Career readiness and personal productivity are emphasized throughout the semester. By the end of the course, students will have both the conceptual understanding and practical skills needed to navigate today's digital landscape with confidence, purpose, and ethical awareness. Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are required for this class, and students leave prepared to use these tools effectively in school, the workplace, and beyond. Thank you for watching this video and see you in class soon. Have a blessed day.